What's up, YouTube gang? We're back again, man. Last night was a chaotic night. You will see that in a minute. But we went out and got some content with some fellow content creators that are in the city, as well as from all around the Illinois area. But like I said, we got some content for you guys. It was a chaotic night. So really wasn't a good start to finish vlog, but it has some really good highlight moments, has some really good moments in general. I was dealing with a lot of camera issues, where my battery kept dying, but it wasn't really dead, and just trying to keep it all cohesive to make it like a storyline for you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this video into a highlight kind of video, that way you guys are able to see start to finish what was going on at night, but not in a story mode kind of thing. If you guys like this kind of video, let me know. It's gonna be something new for me, so make it something that you guys may like. Try out something new. But we also got new mics, so we got different type of audio levels and all other nice stuff. So if you guys do like the new content, you do like the new audio quality of the videos, let me know in the comments down below. And without further ado, let's get to the video. Thank you. Peace. Look, his ass coming up. Got a cop mad aggressive. Let's see what he got to say. What's good?
We're all over there. Coming over here. Any more of this, we'll get you guys out, okay? This right here is fine. You guys getting food or what?
Yeah, we're gonna have food.
Yeah. Get your food and make your way, okay?
All right.
Anything more, we'll start ticketing and towing.
All right,
cool.
What's your favorite car so far?
I don't know, that green caught my eye though.
Hey!
Whose is that?
The one going, hey? They seem pretty chill so far. Yeah, it was short-lived. They over here, now they trying to kick motherfuckers out and shit. So don't wait about food.
I got my food.
Wait. We're not even doing nothing. We chilling. Yeah. All right, yeah. So we got we finna head up to the city right now. We got all the guys up there. Everybody doing their thing, man. So we're gonna head up to the city and see what's to it, man. Get y'all when I'm up there. This nigga got this fat ass G35 with a turbo.
My boy!
Hey, this man right here was behind me, making that motherfucker whistle. I was like, who the fuck is this? Watch out, yeah, watch out, bro. Turbo G35, whatever the fuck this is, Infinity. God damn. It's hella motherfuckers. God damn, bro. We done been deep as hell. That bitch loud too. BMW, nigga. Yeah! That's how you do that shit. Yeah, nigga, yeah! That's how you lock that motherfucker. Yeah, shorty. Yeah, shorty. Yeah, shorty.
I know him.
Tell him I know him. Lock that bitch up, bro. No, yeah, I here wildin'. We peaceful out here today, shorty. We not doing no wild shit. We gotta go. CPD here. We got to go. They in the mirror, fo. I'm trying to get up out of here, fam. They is really mad, fo. They is mad as hell. We gotta go, yeah. Them niggas blew the spot. We gotta go. Alright. Make it quick. We just getting up out of there. We got up out of the city. We cool. We cooling. So we gonna go up to the next spot. When we get to the next spot, I'll let y'all know what's going on. We got all the boys. We got all the boys outside type shit. We going crazy. We doing our thing, man, right here. So figure it out. Get going, man. Oh, look. They looking. Don't turn. Fuck. They already coming for our ass, man. Damn, shorty. Oh shit.
I'm on your non-responding ass, man.
Bitch tough. That bitch tough, G. Ooh.
That bitch on charge. That bitch on why you down.
Hey, that bitch tough. Yeah. You ain't gonna do it, bro. You ain't gonna do it, bro. No, he doing it. He doing that shit. Hey! God damn! That bitch said, yeah. Gotta let it go. Nah, this GTO hard, fo.
What happened now, shorty?
His exhaust fell off.
Huh? What do you have to do? Go over use the street?
Yeah. Damn. They got that shotgun to him. That's that 6.0.
Yeah, that's exactly.
That motherfucker. Bah. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh my God. Damn. Hey. I'm sorry, this camera keep dying, but I gotta get the content. Hey! He burning that motherfucker down, shorty.